And I'm just going to film this new loop. I just got it going. So we go over the trestle, down here, divert off. This is all the new track in here. Crossover. Now we're on the inner loop. We're about to exit the inner loop. And now this is where I started filming. We're coming up the trestle again. So, here's a quick video of the command and control engine doing this run. I'll speed it up here a little bit. I don't know if I've taken it this quick yet, so this is a big engine for these O-42 turns, so it does almost have trouble at certain points, but so it's got the Odyssey system, so it maintains the speed without me adjusting it, whether it's going up a hill or down. Now on the inner area. Sorry about the shoddy camera work. Sometimes I end up looking at the engine. I probably should be focusing on the video. So we'll go ahead and just stop it there. There we go. So track work is complete for laying out the track and getting it fit, but I will be replacing a bunch of really old track with some new track that's going to come in next month. I'll give a quick layout option here, or layout tour. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 switches on this side now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 switches, 6, 7 counting the yard on this side. So we obviously have the main outer loop, we have the inner loop, we now have a crossover on the inner loop, and we have this outer loop direction change that utilizes the inner loop as part of that crossover. And of course this upper track is also a crossover for the outer loop. So by using both crossovers in combination, we get a loop that always goes over the trestle. We could also still use the outer loop continuously or the inner loop continuously, or any combination thereof. So the new work is obviously coming off this switch here, going along here, through this. Then we've got some O-42 here going to another 45-degree crossover there. Then we have a new inner loop coming around here, and then through this new switch that wasn't here before, which puts us back on the crossover. And as you've seen, we continue around. Thanks for watching.